So in this video I'll discuss about how you can increase the lifespan of your guppy. I have figured out four main factors that you can concentrate on to increase the lifespan of your guppy. So the factors are: number one is guppy genetics, number two is feeding quality food to your guppies, number three is good water condition, and number four is lack of stress. So I will describe one by one. So about guppy genetics, I think it is the most important one on increasing guppy lifespan. In most of the cases, guppies with poor genetics will die before reaching out the adult stage. Buying your guppy fish from experienced guppy breeders who care about breeding healthy fish with good genetics is a good start to improve the lifespan of your fish. Pet stores are also a reliable source to buy your guppies because they usually sell good quality fish. However, fish keepers have reported on various forums that guppies brought in a pet store tend to live way less than guppies purchased from breeders. So make sure you purchase a good quality guppy. So the next one is good food, and beside good genetics, your guppies require quality food to thrive and live a longer life. Guppy fish will eat almost anything you give them. You can feed them with commercial as well as homemade food. It is important to feed them a variety of food according to my opinion. If you choose to feed commercial food, choose a reputed brand. You can find a wide range of guppy food in pet stores or online, such as spirulina tablets, freeze dried brine shrimp, frozen bloodworms, and freeze dried tubifex worms. You can buy them easily from any kind of pet stores in whichever country or region you are. If you prefer to prepare your fish food at home, make sure you give your guppy fish the necessary vitamins and minerals. Guppies love fresh as well as cooked vegetables such as cucumber, spinach, carrots, green beans, and others. And live food such as daphnia, vinegar eels, or brine shrimps is a great way to raise and keep healthy guppy fish. Though the cultivation of live food is not easy and many cannot do this, but you may find them in online store. Uh, so whether you feed your guppy fish commercial or homemade food, make sure you offer them a high variety and never overfeed them. One thing I always say, guys, that do not overfeed your any kind of fish you are keeping, because this can lead them to death. Good water condition is probably another most important factor for keeping healthy and long living guppies. Guppy fish are very hardy and can support a wide range of water parameters. So the ideal temperature for guppies is 22 to 28 degrees Celsius, and you can keep the water pH in between 6.8 to 7.8. And in most of the cases, tap water is great for keeping guppies, but be careful with the tap water. Tap water contains heavy metals, chlorine in low quantities, which is safe for human consumptions but are very dangerous for your fish. And the last one is lack of stress. Just like humans, guppies can be stressed. There are actually many factors that will cause stress in your guppy fish, and here are the few common stress factors for your guppy, like bad tank mates, poor water conditions, lack of hiding space, overcrowded fish tank, too much light, inadequate male to female ratio. These factors can cause guppy stress. So if you keep your guppies in a community tank, other than other fish might stress them out. Angelfish or tiger bars are very aggressive fish, which I don't recommend keeping together with guppies because they will harm or eat your guppy fish. And poor water conditions such as low or high water temperature, ammonia in water, radical changes in water parameters can be a huge stress factor for your guppies. Try to give them the best water conditions possible in order to minimize the stress. And when they feel safe, guppies do not really hide. However, it is a good idea to give them some sort of hiding spaces. Female guppies can be very stressed by male guppies and they need rest. They will hide between plants or other aquarium decorations. Having live plants in your aquarium helps the survival rate of guppy fry too. Aquarium plants are very beneficial in improving the quality of the water, and I recommend 1 male to 3 females ratio in order to minimize stress in your female guppies. I know that male guppies are more beautiful and people tend to buy more males than the females, and I'm telling guys that this is a very bad idea. Too many males will harass and stress the females so much that the female guppy will die. If you buy guppies for their vibrant color, then buy only males, do not buy females. So this was all of today's video. I think in this video I was able to give you a clear conception about guppy lifespan increasing. Please check the complete playlist on guppy keeping tips at the end of this video.